Hey everyone, frustrated with Godaddy and thinking about switching to Namecheap for your domain? Great choice. This transfer process might seem daunting, but trust me, it's super straightforward. We will break it down step by step. Ready to get it started? Okay, first thing first that you have to do is head over to Godaddy.com and log into your account. I'm already inside Godaddy.com and I have already logged into. And this is how the homepage of Godaddy looks like. For that, go to my account, which is over here. Tap on it and there you can see several options. Tap on domains. So right now my domains is empty because I haven't purchased any domain from Godaddy.com. However, I will guide you through the process. After you find out the domain you want to transfer, scroll down and keep going until you find domain lock and see if it's on or off. Now unlock your domain that allows it to be transferred. Next, look for the authorization code, which is simply called EPP code. This is your transfer key. Godaddy should display it or have a link to request it. After you find it, copy that code and that is what you need. Alright, now Godaddy part is done, but let's head over to Namecheap.com. Now log into your account. Now look for domain transfer, which is usually at the top menu or somewhere prominent. Click on that. So let's search it. Go to the domain and on the domain you can see domain transfer. Tap on it. Now Namecheap will ask you for the domain name you are transferring. Type it in and here's what the authorization consent. Paste the code we have copied from the Godaddy to the designated field. After you have pasted, follow these remaining steps on Namecheap. Usually it is just confirming your contact info and choosing your payment method. Then submit the transfer and that's pretty much of it. The transfer usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. Namecheap will keep you updated. Easy, right? You have successfully moved your domain. Give yourself a pat on the back. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.